So what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Cloud is just a metaphor for the internet. It goes back to the days of flowcharts and presentations that will show the internet as white clouds. Cloud computing is not about your hard drive. When you store data on or run programs from the hard drive, that's called local computing. Working off your hard drive is how the computer industry functioned for decades. Some will argue it's still superior to cloud computing. Storing data on a home or office network does not count as utilizing the cloud. You need to access your data or your programs over the internet no matter where you are. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, Platform as a Service, or PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS, are all accessible by cloud computing. But again, what exactly are these three things I just mentioned? Cloud application services, or Software as a Service, represent the largest cloud market and are still growing quickly. SaaS uses the web to deliver applications that are managed by a third-party vendor and whose interface is accessed on the client side. Most SaaS applications can be run directly from a web browser without any downloads or installations required, although some require plugins. Because of the web delivery model, SaaS eliminates the need to install and run applications on individual computers. With SaaS, it's easy for enterprises to streamline their maintenance and support because everything can be managed by vendors: applications, runtime, data, middleware, virtualization, servers, storage, and networking. Popular SaaS offering types include email and collaboration, customer relationship management, and healthcare-related applications. Some large enterprises that are not traditionally thought of as software vendors have started building SaaS as an additional source of revenue in order to gain a competitive advantage. Some examples of software as a service are Google Docs, Dropbox, Gmail, and Salesforce. Cloud platform services, or platform as a service, are used for applications and other development while providing cloud components to software. What developers gain with PaaS is a framework they can build upon to develop or customize applications. PaaS makes the development, testing, and deployment of applications quick, simple, and cost-effective. With this technology, third-party provider can manage virtualization, servers, storage, networking, and the PaaS software itself. Developers, however, manage the applications. Similar to the way in which you might create the macros in Excel, PaaS allows you to create applications using software components that are built into the PaaS. Applications using PaaS inherit cloud characteristics such as scalability. Some examples of PaaS are Google App Engine, where you can develop apps made in Python or Java, and Heroku, where you can develop apps made with Django. Cloud infrastructure services, known as infrastructure as a service, are self-service models for accessing, monitoring, and managing remote data center infrastructures, such as storage, networking, and networking services. Instead of having to purchase hardware outright, users can purchase IaaS based on consumption, similar to electricity or other utility billing. IaaS users are responsible for managing applications, data, runtime, middleware, etc. Providers still manage virtualization, servers, hard drives, storage, and networking. What users gain with IaaS is infrastructure on top of which they can install any required platform. Users are responsible for updating these if new versions are released. Some examples of IaaS are Amazon Web Services. These guys are insane. Another example is Rackspace. You can check out their services in their website.